Hello and welcome to the demonstration of 32soft's Cash Application Data Loader. 32soft data loaders are designed as Excel spreadsheets that allow you to massively create or update data in QAD directly from Excel, reducing maintenance time from hours or days to just minutes. In this demonstration, I will show how you can quickly, safely, and efficiently process customer payments in QAD using 32soft Cash Application Data Loader. When it comes to processing customer payments in QAD, and these payments are received with electronic remittance data or remittance file from your bank, the 32soft Cash Application Loader will reduce your daily or weekly payment processing to just a few mouse clicks. Let's take a look at how this tool works. The first thing we need to do after opening the Cash Application Data Loader is to click on the Setup button to select our database. For each payment processing, we need to enter in the header, bank code as it is defined in QAD, and deposit effective date. We leave batch number blank so the system can assign the new one during processing. The entire cash application process will consist of just 3 steps, or 3 mouse clicks. First, we open our remittance file. Second, we match data from the remittance file with open amounts in QAD. And third, we apply payments to open QAD amounts. So, to open a remittance file, we click on the Open File button. An Excel Browse window will pop up and we can select our remittance file that needs to be processed. Remittance file structure and layout may vary, but as soon as they have text, CSV, or Excel format, they can be opened with the 32soft Cash Application Loader. We can customize loader logic as needed. For this demonstration, we have a remittance file in CSV format. This is how our sample file looks when it is open in Excel. The Open File action in the Cash Application Loader picks only certain fields from this file, like document number, check amount, customer name, and, if available, customer code. Upon successful opening of the file, 2 control amounts are calculated: total remittance amount and total invoice amount. This was a first click with which we received, in easy-to-use Excel, all information from the remittance file needed to process payments in QAD. With the next click, we'll select the Validate button. The Cash Application Loader will match for us remittance details with open QAD amounts. But before we are able to pull this information from QAD, the loader will verify our authorization to process payments in QAD. We must enter QAD user ID, password, and domain. Payments can be processed in QAD through the 32soft Cash Application Loader only with valid QAD credentials that include user ID, password, and access to 27.6.4 Payment Maintenance menu in QAD. User authentication is based on native QAD authentication logic that includes user ID and password, as well as menu and site security. Upon successful authentication, details of open AR documents that match documents in the remittance file will be downloaded into Excel. For each of these documents, we see QAD bill to code and name, document number, open amount, and amount to apply. If the amount to apply is not equal to the open amount, we will see the difference in the variance column. There may be some payments in the remittance file for which matching QAD documents have not been found. We have a couple of options for those payments. We can process them in QAD as unapplied payments, or we can find matching documents manually. To help us with document lookup, the Cash Application Loader has 2 supporting functions. First, we can look at the customer balance details. We must select the customer bill to code and then click on the Customer Balance button. Details of open customer documents will be displayed in the pop-up window. Second, we can select an amount from the remittance file and press Ctrl-L. The list of open documents for a specified bill to address and within the predefined amount range will open up in the drop-down window. In our example here, the range is set to the permitted amount of $315 plus or minus $500. So we see the 4 documents for the bill to that meet our specified criteria. After matching remittance details with QAD data using this simple and convenient interface, we can proceed to the third step, or third mouse click. We click on the Process button to record payments in QAD. In an ideal world, this would conclude our payment application process, but because the world is not ideal, a remittance file may not have all the required details, or a check with a specified number may already exist in QAD, or it may be that the matching invoice has been previously paid. So, as with all our data loaders, the 32Soft Cash Application Loader will first run data validation. To better demonstrate, I'll just change this number so we can see what happens. And let's go ahead and click on Process. When data loaders detect any error, the message "Error occurred" will be displayed in the status window, as we see here. And the color of cells containing errors will be highlighted in red. Each red cell will also have a comment attached to it with details of the error. In this case, we see invoice not found in QAD. It is the cell we changed intentionally, of course, to better demonstrate this functionality. Once all errors are fixed, we can attempt to process again. So let's fix this, and now we can click on the Process button again. And now our status window shows Loaded successfully. Now we can review and optionally print process payments by clicking on the Payment Register by Batch Number button. Data we see in this report is an output from the standard QAD Payment Register function for the batch we have created. We can also review details of individual checks by clicking on the Payment Register by Check Number button. At this point, our cash application process is complete. If, by mistake, we try to process the same remittance file again, built-in validation logic will prevent us from doing so. This data loader can be installed into your system within about 30 minutes, either by 32Soft or by your own IT department. And if your remittance file layout is different from the one used for demonstration purposes, we can modify file opening function specifically for you. As shown in this short demonstration, the 32Soft Cash Application Data Loader is a simple and easy-to-use tool that can transform your QAD payment application process by reducing maintenance time from hours to only minutes. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars at www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for taking the time to view this demonstration.